In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to connect your broker to be actually able to trade. So I'm going to tap at the bottom right over here, just above community, and I'm going to tap on those two arrows. One is up, one is down. Tap on that and connect your broker. There's a bunch of different ones they have. I'm just going to use paper trading from TradingView for this tutorial video. Now, once you've connected it over here, you can see you want to tap at the bottom of the exact same button again, and it's going to open up your orders. And this is where you can basically trade. So you can go to buy or sell up top. Then you can set your market limit or stop orders over here, whichever one you want. And then you can select if you want to buy in either units, margin, percent balance, etc. And you'll be able to select how much you actually want to get. So either buy or sell. And then you can put on your take profits as well as your stop losses if you want to. That's completely up to you. You could add new levels as well. And at the bottom, you can see your order info. If you're ready to actually make an order, you could go and just buy over here, and it's going to go through. Now I'm going to go and place a sell order as well over here. Just to see, you have to tap on the sell button, and there we go. It's actually going to execute your order and process it through. So that's how to trade. And of course, you want to tap on your symbol of your broker at the bottom right, just next to or to the right of those arrows you were just tapping on. So you want to tap on that. And here it's going to show you kind of your positions, orders, order history. You'll be able to see your P&Ls, your margins, stuff like that. And yeah, you can basically track your trading in here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.